Hi folks, Peter from Dream Classic Restorers. Today I'm going to take off the right front fender and I'm going to show you where I'm up against. A lot of rusted bolts. So here we go, I'll let you tour through it. Let's see what I had to do here. These bolts here, I have to take the headlight out in order to get the bolts in behind there. This, I'm going to try and take those out without cutting them, see what happens. I can get my hand up inside here. There's 3 bolts in there, but they're pretty rusty. The headlight, I got to remove it, because there's 3 bolts in behind there. This header panel comes off pretty easy. Now, it looks like they've had them off before, because there's the shiny bolts there. See them? See right here? So these would be pretty easy to come off, because they were put on there a few years ago, I guess. So turn my light on here and take a look. And look what I found back in behind here. Look at that, a hole in the cowl. And on my previous video, I said I want to get one with the cowl panels good. I never seen this. It's not bad though. It's not like it's all has to be replaced. Yeah, there's a few broken bolts off here. Looks like they put a new panel on here at one time. So let's go around here. And there's the bracket. Some bolts missing there. One broken. That just saves me taking them out. And there's another bolt. Shouldn't be too bad because it's been taken out not too long ago. Look at that frame. I don't know how they did that, but now we got up inside here. Those bolts don't look too bad, but we'll see. It would be a lot easier if I had 2 people. One could hold one side and someone could hold the other and wrench the other side. But I don't, so there's a missing bolt. Those are the 3 bolts that hold the headlight, the grill panel on. I put WD-40 on them, but we'll see how it works. Now this is very confusing, this bolt. Got a big square head on it. It looks like a big nut. So I don't know how I'm going to get that out, but we'll manage it. I got 2 more down here. Yeah, I don't know why they'd have those big square heads on them. There's one with a cage nut on it. Not a cage nut, but like a, I don't know what you call it, but it hasn't got a head on it. You can get a wrench on it. Probably Fender dented there a wee bit. So, this should be interesting. Okay. There we go, folks. Hopefully, I gotta get it off the ground here. It's pretty hard. Oh. Hopefully it won't take me a day to take this one off, because I've already taken one off, so I know what what I'm in for. So stay tuned. I'll take one, but once I get it off, and press the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Well, folks, it only took me 2 hours to get that fender off, compared to 5 or 6 hours to get the left fender off. And there it is, all laid out in the ground. The front balance, the grill, all the inner fenders all came off in one piece. And I was allowed to take put them on the ground. I was able to get out all the bolts quite easily, which probably 90% of them broke, which I was happy about. So there we are. So next episode, I'll be cutting all the rust out. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.